festival and festival.
Baltimore Seafood Festival on my roof. This is one part of my roof. Do you like my roof? It is grey. There's my other roof. It is also grey. There is my bedroom. It is yellow. Wait, let me find my boat. There is my boat. You can't really see it. Or is that my boat? There. No, that is my boat. And that is someone else's boat. And that is Isabel with Patrick. She loves Patrick. And that is a piece of wheat, I think. But Isabel could finish.